In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customer and vendor balances into QuickBooks seamlessly in just 5 minutes. We'll break it down into simple steps to ensure you feel confident and capable throughout the process. Now make sure you're ready to dive into QuickBooks and follow along for a smooth import experience. To start, you need to click on Sign In at the QuickBooks login page. Once you've done that, select QuickBooks Online from the options provided. This step ensures you're working in the correct environment for online access. Now type in your credentials and click Continue. Be sure to have your username and password handy for this part so you can log in without any hiccups. Next, navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon, usually at the top of the page. From there, you'll want to click on Import Data. This section of QuickBooks is specifically designed to help you import various information into your account easily. Once there, you'll see several options for different record types. For this tutorial, select Customers to begin importing customer balances into your QuickBooks account. Now it's time to actually start the import process. Click on the Import button to prompt QuickBooks to ask you for the necessary files. The system will then ask you to browse your computer for the CSV file that contains your customer data. Ensure your CSV file is well organized with clear headings and accurate information. It will save you time and trouble during the mapping process. Find the file, select it, and get ready for the next step. Once you've uploaded your CSV file, you'll need to map out the data fields from your file to the correct fields in your QuickBooks setup. Mapping is a crucial but straightforward process that helps QuickBooks understand how to integrate your data into its system. Ensure each column in your CSV matches the corresponding field in QuickBooks, such as customer names or balances. This step is where you'll define how your imported data will appear and function within your account. After successfully mapping out your fields, click on Import to finish the process for customers. QuickBooks will begin the import and update you on the progress and outcome. You'll want to review any messages from QuickBooks during this phase to confirm everything has been imported correctly. Now to import vendor balances, you simply repeat the same procedure. This time, when prompted, you'll select vendors instead of customers in the record type during the setup before starting the import. Follow the same steps, browsing, uploading your vendor CSV, mapping the fields, and finally clicking Import. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and update your QuickBooks with the latest customer and vendor balances. With practice, this process becomes second nature, allowing you to keep your financial data accurate and up to date without hassle.